Hi, Michael Glennon from Glennon Capital. This week we're going to talk about free advice. Well, there is actually no such thing as free advice. So, we get some feedback on our videos about why we don't put specifically when we buy, when we sell down on the videos. But firstly, there's a legal reason why we don't do that. We're not licensed to give general advice. So if we were putting out there saying we think everyone should buy a certain stock this week, we don't know your personal financial situation, whether you're going to put all of your money into that stock or a very small amount of your money into that stock. And things change quicker than we can put these videos out. So our view on a stock might change very quickly because events that happen in the broader environment or changes in management and things like that. So that's another reason why we don't put out specific buy and hold recommendations. And another reason why we don't is we're not a broker. So we're not driving commissions and generating revenue from advising our clients to buy and sell certain stocks. The reason we do the videos is to keep our clients fully informed. So we do talk about the investments that we own and the rationale why we own those, so that people invest in our different funds, whether it be our SMA portfolios or the listed investment company that we manage. They get a better understanding of how we actually make our investment decisions, what we look for, as well as providing general information on interesting small companies that are unlisted, under the radar, quite often not researched by the general investment community. So that's the reason why we do it. We're not trying to be obscure, and we're certainly not trying to buy a stock and then pump that stock out there to people that subscribe to this newsletter and watch our videos and make that share price rally. So it's all about keeping our investors fully informed. You've given us our money and trusted us to invest in a portfolio of shares, and for us to explain to you what some of those companies are, as well as some of the things that we look at that we don't invest in, why we didn't like those investments. And I have a general passion for small caps, so explaining to people about some of those interesting small cap companies. And quite often there's amazing companies that we see, we don't invest in because the price is not right. It's all about making sure we get the best business for the cheapest price possible, or waiting for periods of time when the market might react to noise and short-term fluctuations, and picking up great businesses at very attractive multiples, because it's all in the buying, making sure we get the best price for the securities to generate returns for our shareholders. So that's why we do the videos, keeping people informed, educating the market, and making sure that people who invest with us really understand what we do and that we're very transparent in our investing style and our process. So that's the rationale for it. Thanks for watching. I'm Michael Glennon. People always ask me what I know about property. I always say I don't know a lot about property. I like the equity market. I don't like the characteristics. I don't like the returns that you get as an owner in terms of yield that you get on property. And I think there's a worrying trend that the level of appreciation in both commercial office space and residential office space has increased significantly over the last few years.